Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is Vinod prepared 150 meatballs for 36 people. Half of the people took 5 meatballs each and 1 by 6 of them took 2 meatballs each. The rest of the meatballs were then distributed equally among the remaining peoples. They are given two questions to find out. A. How many meatballs were distributed to the remaining peoples altogether? B. How many meatballs did each of the remaining peoples take? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. Vinod prepared 150 meatballs for 36 peoples. Let's see how to solve this problem. In the question they given that total peoples equals to 36. Total meatballs equals to 150. Half of the peoples, that is 36 divided by 2 equals to 18 peoples, took 5 meatballs each. 1 by 6 of the peoples, that is 36 divided by 6 equals to 6 peoples, took 2 meatballs each. The remaining meatballs were distributed equally among the remaining peoples. Meatballs taken by the first group, that is 18 peoples taking 5 each. So 18 5 are 90 meatballs. Meatballs taken by the second group, 6 peoples taking 2 each. So 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. Total meatballs used so far 90 plus 12 equals to 102. Meatballs left for the remaining peoples. 150 minus 102 equals to 48. Total peoples equals to 36. Peoples took 5 meatballs equals to 18. Peoples who took 2 meatballs equals to 6. Remaining peoples equals to 36 minus of 18 plus 6 equals to 36 minus 24 is 12. Each of the remaining 12 peoples received 48 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. 4. So, the number of meatballs distributed to the remaining peoples altogether is 48. Each of the remaining peoples took equals to 4 meatballs. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, if 4 raised to the power of 3x by 2 equals to square root of 8 raised to the power of x divided by 4. Find x. Let's see how to solve this problem. 4 raised to the power of 3x by 2 equals to 8 to the power of x by 2 divided by 4. Express 4 as 2 square and 8 as 2 cube. 2 square raised to the power of 3x by 2 equals to 2 cube raised to the power of x by 2 divided by 2 square. Using exponent property, 2 raised to the power of 3x, 2 will get cancelled. So 3x. 2 raised to the power of 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 3x by 2 divided by 2 square. 2 raised to the power of 3x equals to 2 raised to the power of 3x by 2 minus 2. When bases are equals, powers are also equal. So equating exponents. 3x equals to 3x by 2 minus 2. 3x equals to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. 3x multiplied by 2 equals to 6x equals to 3x minus 4. 6x minus 3x equals to minus 4. 3x equals to minus 4. X equals to minus 4 divided by 3. X value is minus 4 divided by 3. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.